low cloud on the way overnight into tomorrow. The Atlantic influence returns, but that does bring with it some rain. Now a quick look at the satellite picture, and you can see clearly where it's coming from. It's this stripe of cloud, this weather system, which is headed its way towards Scotland and Northern Ireland. It's not just bringing some rain with it, but the winds will be picking up as well. So blowing a gale in the north and the west before the night is done, as that rain creeps its way across the Western Isles and into the west of mainland Scotland by dawn. Some pretty nasty weather developing here. Some wind and rain too, pushing into Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, it's essentially dry. The odd spot of drizzle in the south, misty conditions, but mild, 7 to 10 degrees. Let's focus on that rain through the morning, and there it is across much of Scotland. The heaviest rain always in western Scotland. Maybe something of a drier start in the southeast, but that won't last too long. For northern England, it's a grey old start to the day, grey and relatively mild, and dry as well. Dry too through the Midlands and East Anglia. It's the southeast where the cloud might just be thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle, but it is essentially dry. Dry, cloudy, mild and misty for those southern counties of England, maybe even a little bit of fog over the hills. Pretty grey too across most of Wales to start the day. Mist and fog around the hills, but it is essentially dry. As we head up towards Northern Ireland, well, we're back into the wind and the rain. A pretty miserable start to the day here. Now, a main band of rain will slip its way southwards slowly during the course of the day. As it does so, the rain becomes less intense and the winds will ease as well. We'll also see brighter conditions after the rain in the northwest of Scotland and into Northern Ireland. And in fact, across England and Wales, we should see some spells of sunshine developing for the afternoon. And with a little bit of sunshine, the winds from the south and the west, temperatures up a few degrees, 14 or 15 degrees, not too bad. Into the start of the weekend, well, a lot of isobars on the chart. That means it will be windy. And we've got the next weather system is headed our way. So some wet, windy weather for Scotland, Northern Ireland in particular, but many western areas quite wet through the day on Saturday. Probably the southeast staying dry and relatively warm, I suppose, at 16 or so degrees. But that doesn't last long. Sunday is a pretty miserable day for the southern half of the UK. It'll be wet. It'll be windy too. Further north, well, we should see brighter conditions, but we've also got 1 or 2 showers. So plenty of changes in the weather in the next few days. Keep up to date with all of it on the BBC Weather website. That's it from me.